Hello, it's Wednesday, July the 27th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The dollar slumped against most of its major peers before the US House votes on a plan to cut government spending in exchange for raising the debt ceiling. CB consumer confidence came out at 59.50, better than expected 56, and new home sales came out at 312,000, worse than expected 320,000. Stock markets in the US closed negative as the Dow fell by 0.73% and the Nasdaq fell by 0.10%. Crude rose by 0.4% and closed at $99.50 a barrel. Gold advanced by 0.30% to close at $1,616.80 an ounce. The euro rose against the US dollar and remained around 145. As long as the rate is above 144.80, the momentum of the pair is bullish. Overall, the euro dollar traded with a low of 143.56 and a high of 145.35. Today, German CPI is expected at 0.30% versus 0.10% previously. The pound strengthened against the greenback before the debt vote in the US. GDP came out as expected at 0.20%. Further appreciation in the pair is possible if it succeeds in breaching resistance of 163.70. Otherwise, we might see some technical adjustment down to 162.80. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 162.65 and a high of 163.23. Today's CBI industrial trends orders are expected at -3 versus 1 previously. The dollar fell against the yen to its lowest level since the earthquake in Japan last March as US President Barack Obama addressed the nation on the economy. Trading below resistance of 78 keeps the trend negative for the pair. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 77.77 and a high of 78.68. No economic data is expected today. Canada's dollar appreciated to its highest level since November 2007 as the greenback declined against all of its most traded counterparts over concern that the US may fail to reach agreement on raising its debt cap. The pair broke support of 0.9440 and is holding in this area. If the rate remains below the support, we should see the CAD at 0.9350. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9434 and a high of 0.9474. No economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.